Here comes the elevator at Macy's at the Menlo Park Mall in Edison, New Jersey. Here it comes. Stuff until. Distraction. Oh, we're on thread. Here you go. Thank you. LL. Let me put my normal. Here's your cab view. It's just a very large ThyssenKrupp elevator. This was definitely a complete replacement. This cab is definitely ThyssenKrupp. Let me just. This is traction. See, does it have a 2K controller? It does, because when you push a floor button, then you push that. That's how you know it's 2K. These buttons don't even line up. Fun fact, Edison, New Jersey is where ThyssenKrupp Elevator's office of New Jersey is actually located. That's where the main office for ThyssenKrupp Elevator is, right here in Edison, which is quite cool actually. Let me go to ML. These buttons don't line up. I think something happened. Macy's is now at Schindler. It was closed, there it goes, and that's it.